Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sutka and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And welcome to my Christmas series. Yes guys, if you are following me on this channel for a while, then you know we have a Christmas series going on where I am posting a new video each day for 15 days. So yes guys, if you haven't checked out my previous videos, you can check them out. I would leave a link for it over here or in the description box below. So today I am here to share my Christmas special recipe with you. By the title of the video you already know, I am talking about chocolate peanut butter cookies. Yes guys, so it is winter season and peanut butter is a very healthy alternative for butter, and it is also the Christmas season, so I had to make cookies. And this time I experimented with peanut butter, but peanut butter cookies didn't sound very yummy, so I added my favorite flavor of chocolate to it. These cookies are super simple, they get prepared at home very easily with very less number of ingredients. So if you are someone who loves chocolate and peanut butter as a combination and who is a sweet tooth person just like me, then you must and you definitely should try this recipe at home. It was so yum. If you want to know how to make chocolate peanut butter cookies at home which taste yummy and also look so cute, then please keep on watching the video. We're going to be starting by taking half a cup of the normal salted butter and then take about 1/3 cup of granulated sugar and 1/3 cup of brown sugar. This adds a really nice and chunky flavor to the cookies. And then mix it all really well using a hand beater. You can also use an electric beater over here. We just basically have to cream everything together. Final consistency should be something like this. And then add about half a teaspoon of vanilla essence to this. Now using a chocolate peanut butter, I'm using this one by the brand Plant Made. I would leave a link for this in the description box below so you can use it. I am taking about 1/3 cup of this peanut butter. And then we'll mix all of this once again to form this consistency. And now I'm going to be adding about 1.5 cups of maida to it. We'll add all of this in batches and not together. Also add half a teaspoon of baking soda to this. And then using a spatula, mix all of this together. We are going to be using the cut and fold method for this. Take your time, mix it all really well. Keep adding the remaining maida as per your requirement. The end mixture should look something like this. We have to make a soft dough out of this. And then take small portions of this dough and form round balls out of them. Once done, press them in the center using your knuckle or your thumbprint. You can also use a small spoon just like I'm doing here. And then place these cookies on a baking tray. Here I have lined my baking tray using a foil paper. Repeat the same process with the rest of the cookie dough and then bake these cookies in the oven at 140 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 8 minutes. Once they are baked and are hot out of the oven, place these chocolates on top of the cookies. You can also use the melted compound chocolate that you have or any other chocolate that you like. I am using the Hershey's Kisses over here. And our chocolate peanut butter cookies are ready. Enjoy! So guys, I have these cookies right here with me. Let me also taste them. Though I have prepared them earlier as well, but I really want to see how it turned out this time. So yes, let me try these. Oh my god guys, they are so yum. The chocolate on top is giving another level to cookies. This is something that you can very easily serve to your guests as well. And if at all you have a Christmas party, New Year party or any occasion, these cookies are gonna be a hit and everyone is gonna love them. Guys, that's it for today's video. Do let me know in the comments down below if at all you try this recipe at home. How did you like this recipe? And if you would want me to make more such recipes for you guys. Also, if you prepare these cookies at your home, then make sure to let me know as well. You can share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. My Instagram link would be given in the description box below. Also, stay tuned for my upcoming Christmas series videos. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas in advance. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.